Alright, in this video I'll show you how to connect your quiz to your email marketing automations. So based on the answers that they give, you can send them to a specific automation flow or list so that you can fill those people. So it's actually very simple. So the first thing that you need to do is when you go into your quiz itself, you have to connect it to your email marketing so that all the people that are submitting this quiz, they go to a list, a specific list. So we don't have currently a list, so you can click on add list. Let's go with quiz submits. And now everybody that submits this quiz will be added to this list in the automation. So basically they become a subscriber and being assigned to this list. Now you can of course also enable the double opt-in so that you verify that the email of the user that submits the quiz is their quiz by clicking on an email that they receive. That's an automated system email that they will be getting. So this is really cool way to select the list and send people there. Great, this is the first step here. Now, if you don't want to segment people, that's just enough. Everybody that submits will be added to the automation in the list here that we have created. You can see now that we have the list. So everybody will go into this list itself. But in our case, let's say that we want to trigger and show and send different emails based on the results, based on the options, the answers that they give. So there's two ways. In the previous video, I show you how in the results, based on the collective result of the user, you can tag them. So here we created a few tags. So by submitting that, they are being tagged with a specific tag, and based on a tag you can create an automation. So you can check what is the tag, and if that tag is present for that user, you can start sending this automation with the different emails. So this is one way, and the other way is inside the fields. Again, you can also assign a tag to each answer. Not the collective for the whole quiz, but on a specific answer. So let's say the choice 1. So there you have the ability to add some kind of a different tag to this option, so you know that they exactly picked that option, whatever that is. So here you can add a tag, and again, based on the tag, you can trigger an automation. So how do you do that? How do you trigger an automation? It's really simple. When you go to the email marketing option, when you create your automation, now you have your list with all the quiz users, but you can create an automation based on what kind of tag they have. So here we have create an automation. Let's just add some name to it. And when you create your automation, all you have to do is select the tag that will be triggering this automation. So from here you can select the tag that will be triggering, let's say group 2. So basically people who have answers in the group 2 option, and that will be the trigger. When they submit the quiz, they'll be added to the list and the tag will be added, which will start the automation. And what is an automation? Basically it's a flow, it's different actions being performed. You can send them an email right away based on the answer, or you can delay them with, let's say, with 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can send them an email for a specific product or specific video based on the answers that they gave. So this is so cool. So here you can add your subject and start building your emails with your email builder. Here is one such design. Maybe if it's a product, you can actually select a product type of, we have here e-commerce type of designs, so you can show them a video with a specific product in mind. Let's say this one, and people can actually purchase the product. Again, you can send them to the page that they can purchase it, but you can also email them, and not just once, because again, the person might not buy it right away, and you might want to send them a few emails. Maybe you want to send an email 1, and then after a couple of days you can send a different email to urge them, maybe give them a coupon code, for example, for purchasing the product. So there are so many different ways that you can do with the automations, and the quizzes are such an amazing way to actually segment your users and collect information in such a better way than asking in a form, because forms are kind of boring, and the quiz type of a format, again, it doesn't have to be a quiz itself, but in a quiz format like this, it's so much fun, and the flow from step to step is so much better for actual submissions if you have a lot of questions that you want to ask the user, and by that to segment people. So this is it, how simple it is to connect your quizzes and your funnel to your email marketing and automations.